This video will show you how to create a new recording in Messenger Pigeon. First, open your app and log in using your credentials. From the home page, tap the pink Record button at the top left of your screen. Tap the text to add a title to your session. Don't worry, you can change it later if you want. When you are ready, tap the red circle button located at the bottom of your screen. Messenger Pigeon will start recording audio. Make sure to keep your phone on a table or a desk, with the bottom of the phone facing the speaker to ensure crystal clear audio quality. If you need to pause, you can tap the red circle again at any time. When you are ready to continue, tap it once more, and Messenger Pigeon will resume recording. Messenger Pigeon also has a built-in live caption feature. You can turn on live captions by tapping the toggle in the top right corner of your screen. This will provide real-time captioning for users to follow along with. When you are finished recording, tap the Save checkmark at the bottom of your screen. Tap End Recording. Retitle your session if you need, and tap Save. Once your upload processes, tap Close. Your new recording should appear under My Sessions on your home screen. Tap it to open it up. That's it. Now you can start your own recording with Messenger Pigeon.